How to make money from Facebook, 7 smart ways in 2020. Apart from sharing selfies and receiving those notifications, you can get paid to use Facebook. You can know how to earn money online from Facebook in various ways. One of such ways is to sell a certain number of likes with a price tag. 1. Earn money through Facebook page. A Facebook page has the potential to earn as much as $1 billion. The Indian startup InShort was first started as a Facebook page which later became a startup for sharing any news article in 60 words. To earn money from a Facebook fan page, first you must create one. And then follow this small guide, find a niche, then publish content on your Facebook page and make relationship. In marketing, relationship building is compulsory. You will get your first payment from collaborative promotions or as sponsored posts. 2. Sell products on Facebook. You can use Facebook's Make an Offer feature to earn money by selling products. Put the link of your product in the link box and give a coupon code to offer a discount on the product. You can put the paid links on Facebook from any of the websites, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, or whichever provides a commission on their earning. 3. Freelance Facebook marketer earns well. You can earn $50 per hour by becoming a freelance Facebook marketer. The skills required to become a freelance Facebook marketer are, analyze Facebook stats and ability to make marketing strategies and decisions. 4. Become influencer. You can also earn money becoming an influencer with your normal profile. If posts on your Facebook wall get decent likes and comments, becoming an influencer is a good way to earn money. 5. Earn money through Facebook apps. You can earn money by becoming a Facebook app developer. Or, you can develop a Facebook app independently. In your app you can earn money by applying for banner ads, or you can sell virtual goods of your own or from some gaming companies like EA, Zynga, PopCap, etc. 6. Earn money by account selling. You can earn money by selling your old Facebook accounts. Earlier it had become a trend to make more than one account. But now marketers are buying those accounts for their promotional purpose, as Facebook gives more weightage to an old account. 7. Earn money from Facebook group. You can make a Facebook group. Try to make a group with more than 10,000 members and a good engagement in conversation around a niche. Keep the members engaged with relevant questions, blog posts, images, polls, etc. Click the links in the description below for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck!